Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS operating system. Today we're gonna take a look into Makulu Linux. This is one of my favorite type of distro, which is always I try to visit but never have the chance to be my daily driver. But anyway, let's go to the website. MakuluLinux.com is the website and the whole world of possibility. That's their tagline. And never mind with the ads, the newsdata.io. It is just a sponsored feed that they have just to make a little bit of income. As you can see, this is a distro that is also trying to make it every day. Let's go to the download. So you have the option to preview the video right here, and you also have different types of mirrors to download. You have the SoundForge, the Google, OneDrive, Proton, and Mega. Let's go to the boxes and open our file. Okay, there. So Makulu Linux LinDoz. I'm pretty sure it is Linux DOS. Okay. So let's give it like 8 gigabytes of random access memory, and maybe I'll give maybe 50 gigabytes of storage space. And let's create this one. Maximize so that you will not get into like confusion. We have different types of tab right here, from the distro live boot to the language to the RAM load to safe mode to memory test and the boot hard disk old ways. Okay, so let's try to click right here into the boot live mode distro and click enter.
Welcome to Makulu Linux. My name is Electra. I am the personal AI of Makulu Linux. I have many functions and features. You can use me for personal or professional use. I can answer any questions you have. I am a skilled debater and I have an excellent memory. I can write code, poems, music, stories, blogs, complex research and jokes. Yes, I can be quite funny at times. I can also generate images in a variety of sizes and styles. I also make for a very knowledgeable Linux advisor, and I make a skilled system analyzer. I keep your system running smoothly. I can be accessed in various ways. Via the desktop shortcut, via the robot icon in the panel, via the main menu under programming. But enough about me. Make sure to check out our video tutorial guides on the desktop. They will greatly enhance your experience using Makulu Linux. I look forward to our chats. See you in there.
Okay, that's cool. So this is their OneDrive client. Okay, so let's close that one first. So this is their desktop environment. It is not yet in full screen because I didn't change the aspect ratio yet. But anyway, Makulu Linux built in a customized base which has a hybrid of Debian testing and the Ubuntu LTS, and it offers a number of different types of edition, but this is the LinDoz, which is the Windows-like theme. So this edition will feature heavily modified Cinnamon desktop that is designed to look and feels like similar to the Windows. Let me check the display settings first so that it will be much pleasant to the eyes. Let's click keep it. Okay, so it looks like and feels like Windows, right? So this is the live boot. Now let's try to install it right here in our virtual machine. Live installer. Let's click this one. So start installing. So it has this animation. Yeah, I like the Makulu design. It has really like nice touch for kids. Presume that I'm in the Philippines. Let me check out if we have changes like in Iloilo. I think Manila, Philippines will be okay. And click next. Filipino English will be okay. Click next. And if you are using the whole hardware, then you have a existing operating system, so it will be in the bottom right here. It will ask you if you could like install it alongside or erase the whole disk or make a manual partition. So this is not my daily driver but a virtual machine, so I'll just click the whole disk and then click next. It will ask you for the name of your computer, and I will be using my brand name for this one, and password will be just only 4 characters. This is for the testing. So log in automatically without asking. No. Okay, I will click the same password for my admin because this is the testing, so I'm not installing this into my real hardware but in a virtual machine, which is I'm using the genome boxes. Okay, let's click next. So we have the summary right here. As you can see, it's wobbly. I'm gonna install this one already, so let's wait to hit 100%, and this will be on the dev SDA1, so it will be on the solid state drive 1, partition 1 at the same time. I think partition 1 will be the bootloader, partition 2 will be the operating system. So let's wait to hit 100% and let's see if our installation is complete. Okay, so it is already done. Let's click restart our computer now so that we could like see it in our initial boot after the installation is completed. Okay, we have our login. Now we could like enter our superscript password and enter login. Don't worry, we will try to fix the aspect ratio after this one. Let me change the aspect ratio first so that it will be correct in our display. Okay, keep it. And then this is their welcome app, so please wait a minute to go through the various options below before we check out the whole system. As you can see, you have this driver setup, firewall, network, and system backup. Everything all set. No NVIDIA, okay. Firewall, no. So system backup, no. It's just okay. So this is their desktop UI, or the desktop user interface. As you can see, we have the information right here from the system information plus the important things, and we have also this one, the icons, shortcut icons. We also have this one right here. We have the quick launch and the start menu for the Makulu apps launcher. So we have Brad GPT right here, Bing GPT, and all those like DeepSeek at the same time for AI. Accessories, yeah, it's also here. So the apps right here. And right here on the other side, we have the AIs, the AI, Makulu AI, Chat GPT, DeepSeek, AI tool. Oh, we have also the wallpaper changer and the weather. This is all the notification area right here. Plus we have VBox client, which is I'm using, and time and date right here. Let me see. Martes, Agosto 26, 2025. Okay. So that is our notification area. Plus we have all the space right here for the display. So let's try to click the right click of the mouse and then change the wallpaper. Let's select. Oh, so they have actually preset right here. Cool. Oh, Ninja Cat, meow. It's like meow. Okay. I really don't want to do that one. It's more on the greens. Cool. But wait, let's try this one. Ooh, nice. You could like change it if you wanted to. Okay, let's click this one, the Ninja Cat. So let me try right here if we also have the select wallpaper. Okay, let's effects, desktop, window effects, dialogue. Okay, let's try to on some of the animation at the same time, like fade in, windows, traditional, dialogue, the wobbly thing. Yeah, the wobbly thing. So that is their appearance. Wallpaper, themes. Oh yeah, let's try to check out the themes. So LinDoz, yeah, this is the LinDoz. But you could like change whatever you want right here for the appearance of your mouse, plus the application LinDoz, or you could change whatever you want. You also have the LinDoz Senta. Oh, how about Pix? So let me see. Wow, okay, it's just pixelated. How about the beauty? How about the beauty? I really like the beauty of this one. How about the desktop? You could also change whatever you want. Okay, I just want to use this one. It's kind of cool. Oh yeah, that is so cool. The aesthetics is very cool. I think if you have a new computer and then you wanted to use the Linux with stylish and very kung fu like, you could use this one. So we have the appearance, desktop user interface, Let me see. Let's go back to the apps. Let's check out the all apps. So the all apps, all the AI thing that you need, it's really up to you. So hypnotic, the TV, IPTV, that is. There have also the Makulu AI, MPV, so VLC at the same time. Some of people like really wanted to fight back, like if I tell them that VLC is a main Linux app and they wanted, oh, this is a cross-platform, something like that. So I really don't like that people like, can they just accept that the developers are actually Linux developers? We started right here. Almost all of those like apps, we use it right here. Let me see. How about accessories? So Plank is also here. If you want to just use the Plank right here. You could also check out the graphics right here. Internet, they're using Google, the open source Google Chrome. We call it Chromium. Chromium is the base of the Google Chrome. This is where it all started. Office, no, this is not Windows, but they are using Collabora. Programs, you could like use some of these AI thing, videos and audio, universal access, administration, some of the preference, games, science, and others. So let's try to download. This is their software center. Let's try to check out the software center. Ooh, okay, it requires us to enter our super secret password to continue, and it is initializing and synchronizing and downloading and mapping everything before we start to operate this. They're also checking out other packages and the app. This is sometimes up to the internet service provider that you have, if it's gonna be fast or not. Okay, so everything is all set to install that. Okay, we have Prime videos, Netflix. Okay, let's check out Chromium, Krita. Oh, by the way, let's try to see if we have some Kden Live. So we have Kden Live right here. You have the options to have the flat pack or the snap. I'll be using snap. Oh no, I'll be using flat pack right here. So let's allow it. Proceed. So we could not like multitask right here. It will be just like one app at a time. We could not even go back yet. Let's try. No, it couldn't. Okay, let's wait. So Makulu is not a multitask type of downloading apps. It will be just one at a time. I think this is downside. So okay, let's try to check out our Kden Live, which is we download it. So we have the Kden Live right here. Let's check out if it's gonna run smoothly. Yes, it is opening. Nice. Nothing changed, it's just okay. So conclusion, it is easy to install, no problem with that one. It is Windows like, it feels really like Windows. It is ordinary to experience some hiccups before you have this, like, just like if you have a new laptop, you're always like constantly like checking out the manual first before anything else. But this is self-explanatory, so you're not really like having some problems. It's just like a Android thing. Like if you have the new Android, sometimes you have different like interface, so it will be like that. It's not too hard. It's always like an ordinary thing to experience some problems before you got to the thing that you could like understand. So yeah, this is how the Makulu Linux LinDoz edition. And if you are asking where is the shutdown, well, just like in the start menu right here, and you just gonna click shutdown right here, then you click right here, shutdown. If you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. That's it for now for our Makulu Linux LinDoz 2025. And this is Blair, your science, computer, mathematics, and engineering teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next adventure. Now let's click shutdown. Shutdown.